Hello students, welcome to physics class of plus 2. We were doing chapter wave optics. The objective of today's topic is to study about polarization of light. And the topics which we are going to discuss are polarized and unpolarized light, polarization of light and polarizer. Let's discuss about unpolarized light. As we know that light is an electromagnetic wave. It means it has both electric and magnetic field. In this video, you can visualize both electric and magnetic field of the light, this red color and purple color. The electric and magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other and they both are perpendicular to the direction of propagation of wave. So, a light wave that is vibrating in more than one plane is referred to as unpolarized light. So this is an example of unpolarized light in which light wave is vibrating in more than one plane. The figure here represents the symbol of unpolarized light. Now see polarized light. In this video you can visualize that this part represents unpolarized light. Here different color represents that the light wave is vibrating in more than one plane. When light passes through these polarizers, it vibrates in single direction. So this part represents polarized light. Here light is vibrating in one plane only. So this is called polarized light. So we can define it as polarized light waves are light waves in which the vibrations occur in a single plane. Now let's see the difference between polarized light and unpolarized light. In polarized light, the oscillations is confined to only one plane, whereas in unpolarized light, the oscillation occur in many planes. It is absolutely coherent in nature, whereas it is incoherent in nature. Its intensity depends on the nature of polaroid used, whereas intensity depends on the nature of source. And the last point is how we can represent polarized light. So figure 1 represents polarized light, whereas figure 2 represents unpolarized light. Now let's see what is polarization of light. In this figure you can see a light beam which produces unpolarized light, a polarizer, and this polarizer restricts the vibration of light in one plane and allows it to vibrate only in one direction. So this light is polarized light. It means that the phenomena of restricting the vibration of light means electric vector in a particular direction perpendicular to the direction of wave motion is called polarization of light. Or in simpler words we can say the process of transforming unpolarized light to polarized light is called polarization. Now let's see what is plane of vibration and plane of polarization. So let's see what is plane of vibration. Plane which contains direction of vibration of electric field vector and the direction of propagation of light is called plane of vibration. Here A, B, C, D represents plane of vibration, whereas plane of polarization is the plane which consists of direction of propagation of light and which is perpendicular to the plane of vibration, means F, E, H, G represents plane of polarization. Now diagrammatic representation of polarized and unpolarized light. So this is natural light which is unpolarized, and to represent it diagrammatically we use arrow and dot. This arrow represents parallel to the plane, whereas dot represents perpendicular to the plane. So this is the diagrammatic representation of natural light which consists of more than one plane. So here you can see an unpolarized light, a polarizer. Usually tourmaline crystal is used as polarizer. After passing through polarizer we get a plain polarized light, and there is analyzer which analyzes whether light is polarized or not. Now we'll discuss about this polarizer. So what is polarizer? You can see this part represents unpolarized light. Number of planes are there and this is called polarizer. So now we are getting light in one direction. So this is called polarized light, this part, and this is unpolarized light. And now we are having one more polarizer, and here we are getting no plane of vibration, means no light. Let's discuss about polarizer. A polarizer is an optical filter that lets light waves of specific polarization pass through while blocking light waves of other polarizations. So it is blocking some of the planes and it allows only one plane of vibration. The tourmaline crystal is a natural polarizing material. It means that when unpolarized light passes through polarized filter, we get a polarized light. And when this polarized light passes through filter, we'll get no light. And how it happens? Let's see here. Here is a polarized light and this is polarized, and at certain angle it restricts the light to pass through it. So in this way a polarized works. Now let's discuss some of the questions. What is polarization of light? Question number 2. Give difference between polarized and unpolarized light. Question number 2. Draw a diagram showing polarization of light. Question number 4. What do you mean by plane of vibration and plane of polarization? And the last question is, what is polarizer? Name one natural material which acts as polarizer. That's the end of the topic. Thank you.